Hello, this is Nick with Nick's Computer Fix, and here's a video on the Apple smartwatch, second generation SE. And here's my friend, she is unboxing it for us, and it actually is a Apple Watch that I bought for her. So let's take a look as she unboxes this, and before she does, let's take a close-up look here. It says Apple Watch, and on the back, let's get a close-up here. It says Apple Watch SE GPS 44 millimeters, and the case is a midnight color with a midnight sport band. So I think this is going to be cool to wear and to have. And she's going at it here. She can't wait to open up the box. Of course, I have speed the video up a little bit through the video editing software. That way we'll move through this video relatively quick. Here is the charging cable, which is magnetic. It just attaches on the back of the watch. And she's quickly opening up the case that has the watch band in it. And here's a close-up of the watch itself. Here's the back. And here's the front. We went ahead, or she went ahead and turned it on already, and you get the Apple logo because it's booting up. And it's a nice size watch, 44 mm. Now initially here it comes back and says low battery, so we have to charge it up, and it's very easy to attach the magnetic charger to the back of the watch here. Alright, and of course the watch band here, she attached it, and we are now looking for the app. And the Apple app, if you don't have it installed on your iPhone already, you can just go out to the store and download it, and you'll be good to go. And once you have it installed, you open up the watch app, and it allows you to configure and set up the watch. Now this is very similar to setting up a iPhone. You go ahead and select the language that you want to use, and you select the country that you are currently going to be using it in, and then the watch itself needs to be paired through Bluetooth, so you need to make sure Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone, because it's going to be syncing up with the Apple Watch app on your phone that you've installed. And once you have that accomplished, you go ahead and hold the Apple Watch up to the camera, and you get a software update notice. And in this case, we're going to skip that for now. You can update your software or your iOS version after the setup, which is a lot easier. So we're going to press continue here and go through the setup on the Apple Watch. And of course, don't forget, it'll ask you if you're going to be wearing the watch on your left hand or your right hand. And then you go through the terms of agreement, and once you've done that, you're in the Apple Watch app, and you go ahead and you can select all kinds of things, like your font size. You want your bold text, or how big you want your text to be, and things of that nature, just like you would on an iPhone. All right, at this point the Apple Watch is syncing, and this will take some time to sync up with your iPhone. So keep in mind, I've speed this up through video editing, so that's why it's moving a lot quicker here. Once the sync up is complete, you'll get the familiar hello, which is the same thing you get on an iPhone when you first turn an iPhone on after buying it. And then you go through the setup and configure it, and then once that's completed, you have access to your apps. And this watch also has many apps, just almost as many apps as a normal iPhone has. And of course, you have your watch, and you can get things like how low the battery is, and you can get the weather. And by the way, this does have Siri. So you can say, "Hi Siri," and it will answer you. And it also obviously has a microphone. Now keep in mind this thing is a sport watch, so it will give you all the athletic information that you need. You can track your running, your jogging, your weightlifting, anything that you do in the gym or anything that you do athletically. It will track it for you and give you all types of information. This is a really super cool little watch. I like it a lot. And I'm sure my friend is going to like it a lot as well. It does a lot of things and it works really nice, except one little minor detail that isn't too bad. The battery will only last about 18 hours, and then you have to recharge it. But other than that, it works really good. It'll track your heartbeat really well. I use it to watch and monitor my heartbeat, and that's when I'm walking or jogging. And some people would like to know, does this give you notifications for messages from Messenger? It does. It notifies you when a message comes in, and you're able to reply and respond on the watch if you choose to. So it's a really good little watch. I like it, and I think you might like it as well. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, click on that like button and click on the subscribe.